Page 47, the band played on. It's the last piece in the book, a duet. Congratulations if you've made it through the whole book. You've done very well. You're ready for the next book. Yay. Now keep in mind, if you don't have a teacher, and this is your first time through it, I encourage you to go back through and go through the book again, review everything, watch all the lessons again, because you will have forgotten things, you'll maybe miss things, and it's important you understand everything before you go on, because it's just going to get more challenging as you go on. So make sure you're ready. Don't be in a hurry to go on. In this channel, this YouTube channel, every book is in its own playlist. And all the videos are in page number order within the playlist. So if you bookmark the playlist, then you can go right to it for that book, and whatever lesson you're on, you can find it fairly quickly. I hope. However, let's talk about what this band is doing here. 3/4 time, we got one flat in the key signature, one in the key of F major. And again, both clefs, are in treble clef. Well, that's fine, we can do that. A bunch of quarter notes, dotted half notes, a few eighth notes. We got accidentals again. All right. I'm going to kind of take both hands at the same time, because most of the time it's just one hand or the other playing. So you're starting right hand, the third finger here. You don't need the other finger numbers for a while. You're good until you get to the dotted half notes. And then you need finger numbers, because you're not in this position, you're in this position. You moved. But we're starting here. So make sure you're reading the notes, not finger numbers. The right hand, when it comes in, is here, so you're here. We're still on top of each other. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get the left hand out of the way. But you want to connect all these. So you get the left hand out of the way, but not far. It's got to be close so you can get it. Again. During the rest, you move the right hand up, so you're ready. So instead of third finger, second finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then that B flat is tied to the next one. You hold it down for 5 counts, and then go on. Get the idea? And then second line on those dotted half notes, you come back down, 5th finger. 2. This way we're in position for what's coming. At the end of the line, 8th notes. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Left hand, right hand, you're kind of crossing over. 1, 2, and then right hand gets the D, thumb, same note, and then left hand again. Right hand comes up. You think, what is going on here? I mean, yeah, why not just let one hand play it and be done with it? Stop fighting now. This is actually very good, because there's a lot of times in music where this sort of thing happens, and it has to happen because of other things going on. So we need to get an idea of what this feels like. So again, the third line, or measure 17, you see the 17 with the box, that's a measure number. It's here. And then left hand gets that, and then right hand gets that. Right hand and then left hand. While the right hand comes up. I like that. That's good exercise. And go on. Now, during the rest, right hand's got to come back down. You see, you're kind of looking ahead as you read music, and you'll get into it. It'll just happen. You won't have to make it happen. You'll get used to looking ahead to see what's coming. And when we're playing in measure 25 this, you're going to look at measure 26 already to see what's coming. You'll notice, oh, my hand's out of position here. I got to move it. And you'll just move. You'll get it down there. So while you're playing that, you'll get it down there. So you're ready. Natural. They don't need the natural sign, but it doesn't hurt being there. It's clear. Actually, that last note you can play with any finger you want, because you're done. Now, if you want to get the hand out of you want to come up here and play with the thumb, you can play with the thumb. It doesn't matter. Now be careful, they threw you a curve. That gotcha. That'll get you if you're not careful. Now, it's the end of the third line. When you go up, you're up here. You hold that out for 4 counts. Well, that last measure on beat 2, both hands have a rest. You don't play until beat 3 when the left hand does that. So the last 3 measures there on the third line is here, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. So both hands are resting there. Look out. So you go through and put the hands together and then go back through the treble spots and get rid of the hesitation. So it's a steady beat. Then when you're ready, then come back to the video and let's play it together slowly and make sure you got all the right notes and you're playing them at the right time. You should be playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. So I'll give us 3 counts and let's play it together. 1, ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tie, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tie, 2 and 3 and 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, rest, rest. I'd like to do the duet with you. I'm going to do the stuff on page 46, and you play what you just played out. Now, I'm going to speed this up a bit. This is supposed to be a happy song, so make sure you can play this okay. No hesitations anywhere, and then let's play it together. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.